Really quick one for you today. Just had a delivery of 2 packages from Dave and Dave's Army. So we'll do a quick unboxing. I've got an early war French motorbike and sidecar and 2 early war motorcycles. So here we go then. First one, early war motorbike, sidecar. Very nice, excellent sculpt. Comes with a suitable base, and then we have 2 lone single motorbikes. Again, a small MDF base. Excellent details. Got his helmet hanging off the handlebars there. So these are really cheap. I think the sidecar was £2.50 and the 2 bikes were £3. He's got an eBay store, so please get on over and support him. Excellent sculpts.